Welcome to Idiots in Car TV, where the road becomes a stage and every second could be your last. From jaw-dropping crashes to wild road rage and instant karma served hot, we've got it all. Our videos are here to entertain you and remind you that in real life, safety always comes first.
A woman casually crossed the highway and nearly paid the price. The driver of the red car reacted in time the first time, but could not avoid the motorcyclist cutting across. The driver of the white car faced the consequences after behaving improperly and running a red light. An overtaking situation without careful observation, going straight into the blind spot. The black car may not have been focused while driving, and it drifted freely in this situation. This guy stopped his car right in the middle of the road to pick up goods, then even bullied and drove straight into my car. What should I do? The pedestrian did not walk in the designated area. Please make sure to walk in the correct lane. The truck dangerously changed lanes to overtake. Luckily, no collision occurred. In the rain with slippery roads and poor visibility, the Tesla skidded while slowing down. This guy made a bold and dangerous decision by still entering the turning lane. A situation where the driver of the silver car lost visibility and failed to look properly while making a left turn. A failed street racing stunt. This guy told the Grim Reaper, "Not today. Today, I'm sleeping." In winter, at intersections, it's important to slow down early to avoid slipping. A disaster occurred when the truck lost a rear wheel. A driver blasted through the intersection at rocket speed. A truck carrying a massive rock dropped it, and it rolled down onto a car traveling on the highway. The driver going the wrong way on the highway caused a disaster. Hit and run. What do you think about this situation? The driver of the white car suddenly changed direction, intending to turn left. No one had time to react in this situation. A sudden lane change in the wrong lane, the consequences are clear. Is this motorbike rider Spider-Man or what? Suddenly cutting in and braking hard on the highway? Luckily, the truck driver stayed focused and avoided a collision. What do you think about this situation? The electric car driver lost control of the vehicle and could only fold their hands in prayer. A controversial situation occurred when the silver car made a sudden left turn. This guy recklessly changed lanes in that situation. Luckily, the driver stayed focused. Another red light running incident where a collision was inevitable. No one yielded in that situation, and as a result, both had to face the consequences. Always check carefully on both sides when making a left turn. It seems that the driver of the white car was not paying attention in this situation.